Let's talk about properly putting the bobbin in to the Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic. When you see the bobbin, you'll notice that it has a little H on one side, and with that, that's the side you always want to have facing the outside of the machine when you're winding it, and then also when you drop it into the bobbin area, that is always on top. You'll find that your thread, if you just kind of flip it over the top, is going to come down, and you're looking for the groove about 6 o'clock down here. As the thread kind of drops into that groove, if you put your finger on the bobbin and then click it in, it needs to go from about 6 o'clock up to about 7:30. That allows it to get into the tension. You can come over the top and follow the little arrow underneath and cut your thread. Sometimes what I like to do is actually put the door on first, click that in, and then cut my thread. And as soon as you start to sew, that bobbin thread will be brought up for you. I usually like to put my top thread underneath my presser foot and then go ahead and start to sew.